Welcome back to KZ Auto Hub, where today we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of 2026, the Tesla Apex One. This car is not just another electric vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of what driving can be. With its revolutionary design, cutting-edge technology, and mind-blowing performance, the Tesla Apex One pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Tesla has always been at the forefront of innovation, and with the Apex One, they've truly outdone themselves. From the first glance, you can tell that this car is unlike anything else on the road. The sleek, aerodynamic body is sculpted to perfection, with sharp lines that flow seamlessly from front to back, giving it an aggressive yet elegant look. The front of the car features Tesla's signature grille-less design, further enhancing its futuristic appeal. The Apex One's design isn't just for show, though, it's functional. Every curve and angle has been meticulously crafted to reduce drag and increase efficiency, making this car a true powerhouse on the road. Under the hood, the Apex One features Tesla's latest dual-motor all-wheel drive system, which provides instant torque and unmatched acceleration. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.1 seconds, the Apex One can keep up with some of the fastest supercars in the world, all while maintaining Tesla's signature smooth and quiet ride. But it's not just about speed. Tesla has also focused on improving the driving experience with advanced suspension systems that provide exceptional handling and comfort, no matter the road conditions. Inside, the Apex One is a perfect blend of luxury and technology. The cabin is minimalist yet sophisticated, with high-quality materials and a futuristic design that makes you feel like you're sitting inside a spaceship. The dashboard is dominated by a massive touchscreen, which controls everything from navigation to climate control, and even the vehicle's performance settings. It's intuitive, responsive, and makes driving the Apex One feel more like operating a personal command center than a traditional car. But it's not all about performance and design. Tesla has also made sure the Apex One is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both safety and convenience. The car is equipped with Tesla's latest autopilot system, which can take over many aspects of driving, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and even automatic parking. The Apex One also features an enhanced version of Tesla's full self-driving software, which, in the future, will allow the car to drive itself in most situations, making long trips even easier and more relaxing. On the tech front, the Apex One comes with an advanced infotainment system that offers seamless connectivity to your favorite apps, streaming services, and more. Whether you're listening to music, watching a movie, or even working while on the go, the car's high-resolution display makes it all possible. Tesla has also focused on making the Apex One one of the safest vehicles on the market. With a reinforced structure, multiple airbags, and advanced driver assistance systems, the Apex One is built to protect you and your passengers in any situation. Plus, the car's smart sensors and cameras provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings, ensuring that you're always aware of what's going on around you. When it comes to sustainability, the Apex One stays true to Tesla's mission of reducing carbon emissions and promoting clean energy. The car's battery pack is made from sustainable materials, and the vehicle is designed to be fully recyclable at the end of its life. With a range of over 400 miles on a single charge, the Apex One is perfect for long trips. And with Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network, recharging is quick and convenient. Of course, no Tesla vehicle would be complete without over-the-air software updates, and the Apex One is no exception. Tesla continues to refine and improve its cars through regular software updates, ensuring that the Apex One will only get better over time. Whether it's new features, enhanced performance, or even new autopilot capabilities, the car will keep evolving, making it one of the most future-proof vehicles on the market. The 2026 Tesla Apex One is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a testament to the power of innovation and a glimpse into the future of driving. With its incredible performance, groundbreaking technology, and sleek design, the Apex One sets a new standard for electric vehicles and automotive technology. It's a car that looks ahead, breaking barriers and redefining what's possible. Whether you're a Tesla enthusiast, a fan of high-performance vehicles, or someone looking for a glimpse into the future of transportation, The Apex One is sure to leave a lasting impression. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2026 Tesla Apex One. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to KZ Auto Hub for more automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Apex One, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.